Hi, I'm Matt Brownlow, and welcome back to Big Cats and Little Trucks.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back, man?
The man, the myth,
Below?
the afro, back.
What's up, baby?
Round 2.
How you doing?
I'm great. I'm better now, my man. Season 2 with you. How's life been?
It's great. It's going good.
Lewis Kidd. Shout out your number so we know.
76.
76.
Right tackle.
Right tackle. Right tackle. So Lewis, it's been a year, man. It's been a year. What's been going on with you?
School-wise, decided on my major, education.
Really?
Minor in coaching.
That's
so,
great.
Yep.
That's great.
And then development-wise, got better overall in football. Hit the 300 mark.
You hit 3 bills.
Yeah, 305.
That's huge.
Yeah.
I mean, literally. Good for you, man.
Yeah,
that's a big moment in life.
Yeah, that's been my goal for a while. So
Yeah. That's really cool.
Got home over break and was able to kind of stuff my face a little bit.
Mom was cooking.
Yeah, exactly.
I like that, man. I like that. I mean, what are you expecting to see out of the season? What's something that maybe you want to see out of yourself, the program?
Well, program-wise, I mean, for sure, at least make the playoffs.
Amen.
That's the big goal.
Amen.
Get past that GPA, that 3.05.
Absolutely.
That'd be big time too.
I like that.
And everyone have fun for sure, because it's just like some people kind of get that lull of the season where it's they're just kind of going to work almost. But
Yep.
just for everyone to consistently have fun and keep bringing energy would be a great thing to see over the course of the season.
I agree with you, man. That's good to see. I mean, I'll say out loud that you've stepped up huge in a leadership role. I mean, 3rd year on the program, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that's really, really big, and guys are looking up to you now. So that's awesome to see from the stands. I'll tell you what. So, Lewis, coming to an end. Do you have any parting words for the Bobcat fans?
Thank you for the support, and excited to get going this year. It's going to be a big year.
God bless you. I appreciate it, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.